sixth grade skill in Fundations, but I think it's really important to think about when we are reading and sounding out words and also working on our writing. We talked about ing because we see it so often. So let's practice some other words that have some glued sounds in them. For example, if you're looking at this chart, you'll see that there's a little vampire bat, and he has fangs. So right underneath this picture, it says fang, okay? Because A-N-G, if I sound those out separately, a-n-g, well, it doesn't really make a word, does it? When I try to sound out a-n-g. But if I know and I practice and I remember that these are glued sounds, whenever I see them, I recognize them as a sound chunk. Okay? Now, if you want to tap these out, this is what you would do. Fingers ready. I'm going to tap out fang. So one tap for the f. And then because A-N-G is 3 letters, you put your 3 fingers to your thumb, but they make one sound. It's a glued sound. F-ang, fang. Okay, are you ready for the next one? The next one is ring. Let's practice. R-ing, ring. Okay, let's practice song. Song, ready? S-ong, song. And then last but not least, we don't see this one very often, but still important to practice. Lung. It's a little tricky to see. There we go. Lung. L-ung. Lung. Okay, now I'm going to make a chart with some of the words that have these patterns, and you can practice them at home. Okay, here are a bunch of words that have these special glued sounds. So, super writers and readers, get your fingers ready. And again, let's tap out a few of the words. And then I want you to maybe pause the video, practice the words, and then press play. And I'm going to ask you to look for certain words. Okay? All right. So just as a review, let's tap out the word fang. It's in purple. Ang, fang. Okay, let's try the word sing. It's in green. S-ing, sing. Let's try the word gong. G-ong, gong. Let's try the word lung. L-ung, lung. Okay, pause the video, take a moment to practice, and then when you're ready, I'm going to ask you to find some words. Okay, can you find the word wing? Ready? Flung. Okay, can you find the word gang? Can you find the word sang? Can you find the word thing? And last but not least, can you find the word hung? Good job, super readers.